Welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about all Middle Eastern fragrances that I have in my collection. It's not a lot, you know, it's not a lot. I saw YouTubers who have crazy collection of niche fragrances plus Arabic fragrances. I'm not going into that, you know, because I have already too much, and there are many, of course, Arabic fragrances that are tempting to me. So for sure, at some point, I will surely add something else to my collection, but I tried to be, you know, moderate and have only things that are interesting to me. So I hope they will be interesting for you as well. So if you are interested, what are Middle Eastern fragrances in my collection, please stay with me. My name is Justina. This is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So now everyone seems to love, you know, those Arabic fragrances, and I think there is a good reason for that. Mainly it is a price versus quality. I find them to be really good quality. They last really long time, and many times they are even better. Most of the time they are even better than mainstream fragrances, and they usually perform as the niche fragrances as well. So what's not to like? Sometimes their packaging is not great, let's be honest, but I think what counts is inside. So sometimes, you know, I'm thinking to myself, we are buying all of those very expensive perfumes, while you know, those Arabic fragrances are just amazing. So I will show you all of those fragrances that I really like. I have also new one in my collection which I really like. So let's start with the one that got internet, I think, and that is really popular in social media, and that is Lattafa, Badee, Al-Oud, Honor and Glory. And this one is quite peculiar. I must tell you, I really do like the bottle. It's like a metal plaque in here, nothing, you know, it's not a sticker, nothing plasticky, so bonus for a bottle. It is really beautiful, and I also love this combination of white and gold, so of course thumbs up for me. And this one is very interesting, and it's challenging to some people, so I can see why there are people who do not quite like it. Of course, everything depends on your skin chemistry, so this one definitely you need to test on yourself. Actually, all of those fragrances you need to test on yourself. This one has very prominent note of pineapple, like the freshly cut pineapple, not like tinned pineapple. It is a fresh fruit of pineapple. So if you like pineapple in your fragrances, if you like to eat pineapple, you like its fragrance, I think this one will be for you. However, we have turmeric in here. So for some people, it smells like an Indian food or something like that. I do not get this effect on my skin, so I'm safe with that. No like iffy and strange smell here. It has also creme brulee accord, so if you like gourmands, I think it might be for you. However, it is not like straight up gourmand. You have this pineapple, you have this creme brulee, you have this vanilla in the base as well, you have oak moss as well. So this one is quite, you know, slightly gourmandish, slightly fresh, very spicy as well. And you must like this Herba Pura musk, because this musk in here is quite prominent and it's harsh and it might be pungent to some people. So I can understand why some people do not like it, because it is happening in this fragrance. You know, for some people it might be too much, but if you like it, you will find it strangely addictive. It is very hard to describe this fragrance, so I would highly suggest you getting a sample and test for yourself. As I said, if you are going to like it, I think it will be very addictive to you. And this is Honor and Glory from Lattafa. Actually, I have in here many Lattafa perfumes, and another being, of course, ever so famous Khamrah. So I have only OG. I do not have like this Kawa version. I have tested it. I also have this video here on this channel comparing Kawa and this one, and also I'm talking about Teriyak from Lattafa as well. However, this one is for me the OG. This one is the one I prefer. Kawa for me is too watered down version of this one, like diluted and too sweet maybe for me, whereas this one This one is much more prominent. It smells like, you know, this Christmas candle for me. It has apple, cinnamon. It has this beautiful vanilla bean sauce, and it has tonka beans. Very, very beautiful, like creating this festive atmosphere. Now it's more and more warm, and we have springtime, so I do not feel the need of wearing this one. However, if you want, why not? It also has dates, so it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I like it. I know it's quite polarizing as well. Many people don't like it, but I do like it and I do recommend it. So yeah, Khamrah from Lattafa. Another one which I really, really love. And if you are looking for a perfect Rosendo Matteo No. 5 dupe, look no further. Another Lattafa goodie, Lattafa Pride Ishq Al Shuyukh Gold. The bottle may not be stunning. Like I said, I'm not very sure about the bottles sometimes. This one is too much over the top for me. However, in the inside, the juice, oh my God. This one is just beautiful. It's like a liquid of sexiness. So, so good. Very addictive. Strange little bit because it has this rubbery effect. It has vanilla, it has tonka bean, it has suede, saffron. Very beautiful, very, very addictive and very much long lasting. And just a side note, if you are getting your Arabic perfumes and they do not perform, just spray a couple of times and let it macerate. Just put it down and go back to it for in like 3 weeks or something like that, because then it is high probability that it will get stronger. It will be, you know, it will be projecting much more from your skin and you will just feel the scent better on you. This one macerated. This one has been in my collection for like half a year now. And now it's a beast. It's a beast mode perfume. Very sexy, seductive. Just amazing, just amazing. So as I said, it's a perfect dupe for Rosendo Matteo No. 5. If you like that one, you will surely like this one, and you will thank me because the price is like a fraction of the price of Rosendo Matteo No. 5. Another one is from Orientica, and this one I think will be the most expensive from this video. I do not know why Orientica has those expensive perfumes. They are making like clones. So it doesn't quite make any sense to me, but yeah, it is what it is. I have here Orientica Xclusif Oud Sport. The name is unfortunate. When I think sport, I think something will be very fresh. It isn't. It isn't. Actually, it's very nice. And it has prominent tonka bean base. And it is a tonka bean combined with woods and with spices. With not spices maybe, but something more herbal. Very good. If you know how tonka bean in commodity milk smells, this is this kind of a tonka bean, but take away this lactonic aspect, like marshmallowy aspect, the sweet aspect, and replace it with wood and herbs. That's what I get from this fragrance, and I really, really do like it. This one is very long lasting, and this one is also a dupe for some perfume from Parfumerie. I don't remember now the name of this fragrance, but it is a dupe. I don't know how the original smells as well, but this one is so, so good. Very long lasting. So yeah, I highly recommend you checking out Orientica Xclusif Oud Sport. Don't be fooled by the name because it has nothing to do with sport, nothing to do with aquatics, nothing of the sort. Another one which is very, very popular, it's Paris Corner Rifaqaat. So, if you are on the hunt for YSL Baby Cat, look no further as well, because this one is a perfect dupe, like 98%. For me, it's the same, but I know there are always people who will tell you that it's not true. So, yes, it's better to say like 99%, 98%, it will be okay. But for me, it's the same. I'm not like a psycho fan of YSL Baby Cat, so I'm telling you, this stuff is so good. The bottle is stunning, absolutely stunning, very heavy glass. Everything is done really, really good in here, nothing cheap. This one smells like vanilla combined with beautiful churchy incense. So for me, it's, as I always say, it's vanilla in the church. Very beautiful. At first, you have this blast of, you know, spices, frankincense, and then vanilla, but then it dries down and you're getting more and more of vanilla. So this one is so, so good. It's delicious, it's mysterious, it's cocooning, it's sexy and seductive. So, so good. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, Rifaqaat from Paris Corner. If you have the chance, just get it because it's so, so good. And the bottle is just stunning. And the new thing in my collection, it will be perfect for now spring, then for summer. And I, of course, bought it because I've heard about it on YouTube. And it's like mango perfumes. And it's from Lattafa again. And it's Ajayeb Dubai. This one. I really like the bottle, you know, it's quite artistic. It has this nicely done glass in here, like very in an artistic way, and here on the cap as well. So I really do like it. I really do like the look of it and the feel in a hand because it's very, very heavy. I must tell you that if it would stand somewhere on Essence, like this perfume fair in Milan, and some kind of a brand would have like all of the same bottles with different color of juices in it, I would say it's 100% legitimate. It's nice concept because the bottle is really, really nice for me. So that's it. And when it comes to the fragrance, I have it here. So, so good. If you like mango, just go and get it. It's like ripe mango with green elements. And you know, it is all I wanted Wilhelm Parfumerie's Mango Skin to be, because on me, mango skin smells like La Vie est Belle combined with mango, just like that. I don't know if you get this effect, I do. And I was quite disappointed with the fragrance. But this one, if someone would pour it in a bottle of mango skin from Wilhelm, I would 100% believe that this is the scent, you know? So, so beautiful. Fresh, but very sexy at the same time. It has mango, it has osmanthus, it has agarwood in the base, it has sandalwood as well. But do not be, you know, afraid of this wood because it's only giving you like a woody touch. It's nothing harsh, nothing pungent, nothing of the sort. It's just a beautiful mango with flowers, with woods. Absolutely amazing. And the longevity and projection are just stellar. So absolutely recommending Ajayeb Dubai by Lattafa. Very, very beautiful. So this is the new thing in my collection. Another one which will be perfect for spring and summer. I really love this one, Maison Alhambra, and it's Narcotic flower. And of course, by the bottle, you can tell it's a dupe for Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotique, the scent, which is for me very simple, yet very, very alluring. And this one is exactly like that. So I'm very happy they recreated everything I liked in Fleur Narcotique. Basically, it's like a cold musk with dewy flowers of peony and rose. That's what I get from it. So good. So, so good. And it's quite potent, even though it's transparent. Fleur Nihilo, Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotique was created by my favorite perfumer, Quentin Biche. So, yes, I just needed to like this fragrance. And I really like this dupe because it recreates for me the scent perfectly. Absolutely love it. If you have the chance, just get it because, you know, I don't see the point owning Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotique when I have this. So good. It's really potent, long lasting. So yeah, what else can you ask for? So this is this is a Narcotic flower from Alhambra. Another one, another dupe. I know that some people will tell you, oh, those Arabic fragrances are all dupes. Yes, but also they oftentimes perform the same or even better than the original. So yeah, to each their own, you know. And this one is Eternal Oud from Lattafa again. And I strangely like the bottle. The glass is really heavy and sturdy. Here you have this metal elements. Nothing is plasticky, nothing is chipping off. Everything is very, very nice. And this one is a dupe for Maison Francis Cordijan Grand Soir. So if you are on a hunt for a Grand Soir, but you are on the budget, you cannot go wrong with this. So good. The only difference is that it has like this addition of plum, but that is it actually. And in the late dry down on me, it smells exactly like Grand Soir. So I do not see the point of owning Grand Soir, even though I really, really do love that bottle of MFK. It just looks stunning. Maybe someday I will add it to my collection, but for now, Eternal Oud is just doing the job, you know. And lately I sprayed it on my arm just one time, and it was so strong. It's like almost oily in the in its form, you know. So you need to watch out when you are spraying, but this one is so good. Like this warm, ambery, delicious vanilla. That's what you get from this fragrance. So yeah, absolutely recommend this one, Eternal Oud from Lattafa. And another one is like on the lighter side. It's not as potent and, you know, big as the previous fragrances I was talking about, but it's still so nice, especially during the warm days. And it's Lattafa, again, it's Qaed Al Fursan Unlimited. And this one is for people who love creamy coconut. I do like coconut in fragrances, but I'm very particular when it comes to the note. It cannot be like diluted. It cannot be, you know, too salty. I don't know, sometimes coconut sounds on my skin like too salty. It's not pleasant at all. However, in here it's just creamy combined with those beautiful tropical flowers. Absolutely amazing. I think it has white flower, like frangipani or something, maybe tuberose, something like tuberose like. It smells quite similar to Dolce & Gabbana, the only one intense fragrance I once had in my collection, but it was, you know, too flat in the base on my skin, so that's why I decided to get rid of it. But this is much better for me and on me, actually. So beautiful, and it has this, you know, sweet, airy effect as well on me. I don't know. It's like you were sipping a good coconut cocktail on the beach. You have your bougie body cream on, like suntan lotion or something, and you get this beautiful, fragrant, airy wafts from the beach, and the wind is blowing and everything is so nice. That's the feeling I get with this fragrance. So good. Not too potent, but still very good, as I said. And the last one, I have here only the sample, but I know maybe some of you are curious what is the, you know, what is my opinion about this. This one is again from Lattafa, and it's Lattafa Pride Masa. And this one is for all of those people who are looking for a good dupe for Ganymede from Marc-Antoine Barrois. And actually it smells like Ganymede. However, you need to add to it mango. So again, mango fragrance. If you like Bois Imperial, if you like Ganymede, you are going to love this. So if you do not own Ganymede or Bois Imperial, I highly suggest you, you need to just, you know, be interested in this fragrance. That's what I wanted to say. It lasts quite a really long time. It's not as potent as Ganymede, at least on me. However, it is still very good, nicely recreated. It has this mineral effect as well, very airy, mineral, airy. So yeah, as I said airy a couple of times already. So yeah, if you are interested, this one is so good. Yeah, Lattafa Masa. So that was it for my Middle Eastern collection. Of course, I have something more on my radar, but for now, that is it. Let me know what are the fragrances, like those Middle Eastern fragrances that you like. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.